tell your wish to Granny Fox.
Granny Fox?
Yes, Granny Fox lives deep in the forest, hidden, and grants wishes with her magical powers.
Wow!
Granny Fox, are you there?
Did you call me?
Wow! We heard that you can grant wishes with your magical powers. Is that true?
Yeah, yes it is. So, what is your wish?
We want to become giants!
Yes, bigger than the trees.
I have a story to tell you.
Huh? A story?
Giant pheasant who lived in the forest a long, long time ago.
Hello there.
All the forest animals loved the pheasant and praised their friend frequently.
Wow, it's really cool to be a giant. Granny Fox, please turn us into giants.
There were also hard times for the giant pheasant. The giant pheasant would blow his friends away with a sneeze. Or he would spoil games with his huge body. And so all of his friends left and he became lonely. In the end, the giant pheasant left the forest. Who is first in line to become a giant?
I don't want to be a giant.
Me neither. I like the way it is now.
Goodbye, Granny Fox. Here, subscribe to our channel.